channel Apurva Stories, and in today's video I'm going to talk about bags. Yes, so these are the bags which my sister and I have accumulated over the years, and अभी इतना हो गया है कि इसके ऊपर एक वीडियो बनाया जा सके। तो बिना ज़्यादा देर के लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। एक सेकेंड, स्टार्ट करने से पहले एक बार इसको हेलो बोल लो। हेलो हेलो हेलो।
Let's start with these two bags first. They are from Miniso and they pretty much go with all your outfits. Talking about the black bag, the bag has one zipper compartment as you guys can see, and it is really very spacious. You can easily fit in your mobile, card, some cash and a lipstick. And you're simply good to go. On the other hand, this one is a nude colored bag and it comes with 3 compartments. First, second and a middle one. You have to keep your things safely because it has no zipper and things might just fall out. I have been using both these bags from past 1.5 years and they still look the same. एक सेकेंड, इन बैग्स की श्रेणी में एक और बैग भी आता है और वो है ये रेड बैग. This is my absolutely favorite because this is really spacious. I mean, you can put anything and I can easily fit in my wallet here. Now let's talk about these box type bags, which you can use it as a clutch or as a sling bag. These two bags are pretty much similar. You can use the black one while going out for parties and the golden one for your ethnic wear. Both these bags come with sturdy chains and you can easily take them out and carry as a sling bag, as you guys can see it here. Talking about the space, you can easily keep your belongings here as it is very spacious. Now this grey bag is a new one. We haven't used it yet and therefore I'm not able to figure out how it opens. It actually took me a while to figure out how to open it. Yeah. So the bag comes with a very sturdy handle and talking about the weight of the bag, the bag itself is quite heavy, but let's just appreciate the color. दूसरे सेट ऑफ सिमिलर बैग्स की अगर बात करें तो वो ये रेड, ब्लैक एंड गोल्डन बैग होगा. This red bag was a gift from my secret Santa during Christmas. Let's just jump to the black bag, which I absolutely love. It comes with a button like this and has 2 compartments, which is very spacious. Now both these bags come with a chain. It has a silver chain, the black one, and the red one has a golden chain. Talking about the golden bag here, it has sequence work all over it and comes with a chain too. All the bags are spacious enough to carry your belongings like these, Now let's talk about these big bags. Yes, talking about this blue bag, I got this from a local market in around 250 or 300 bucks and I've used this a lot for traveling because it is really spacious. You can put anything and everything. It comes with 2 compartments, 2 zipper compartments in that too. And अभी traveling की बात की है तो boarding pass तो मिलना ही था. It also has a small zipper compartment in the front of the bag and you can put your small little things over here. Talking about this red and black bag, I haven't used it much as compared to the blue one, but it comes with a little black detailing in the front and the handle is really very sturdy. Again, it has 2 zipper compartments, which is very spacious, and if you are a college going or an office going girl, you can absolutely use these 2 bags. Now the third and the last, this green bag, it's a Dressberry का bag, मतलब इसका brand Dressberry है. We haven't used it much and it has a bucket style, एक bucket style bag है, comes with a pouch and it does not have any zipper. So whatever you need to put it inside your inside this pouch, and then keep it inside this bag. And you can obviously adjust the size of the bag using this. The last set of bag I would like to talk about is not this one, but these two little cuties. Now they are actually coin purses which I got from Usupso. Miniso ka hi to bhai hai. Now these coin purses come with a decent space, and as you guys can see it, इसके अंदर अब कोई कंपार्टमेंट नहीं है. Now talking about इसके benefits, first of all they are super adorable, and second you can easily put in your cash and card, exactly ऐसे ही, and lock it, and then you can simply place them inside these small bags जहाँ आपके बड़े wallets fit in नहीं होते. And you
So that's it. I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, please like, share, subscribe to my channel, and do let me know in the comments box that कैसा लगा आपको ये वीडियो. और मैं बहुत जल्दी मिलूंगी आपसे दूसरे एपिसोड के साथ. बाय.